silver bird, oh, she flies. To the earth I see expanding my reality of people waving so far below to a silver bird in the sky. A silent world way up here. There's no laughing, there's no tears, just colors of blue crystal shades through which the silver bird she must fly. Well, the sun shows a bright, shiny face, moving along in a